Guys, greetings to everyone on the Asab trade channel with you Asab as always, and today we will talk about very smart and very effective trading strategy with helping that trading strategy without experience you can earn really large amount. And so before we start, I want to ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link under that video, and leave the comment and like under that video because it is very important to me. Let's get started. And so guys, let's open the forecast where we will trade a pocket option, the best platform on the binary option in the world. And so today I'll try to increase my deposit from $20, and I'll use some indicators. It will be MACD indicator and average true range, and so change the settings exactly like mine, and so let's begin to trade, and let me explain everything in detail afterwards. And so time expiration will be 1 minute and time frame will be 1 minute too. So I'm enter with $20 to upper position, and let me explain everything in details, guys. And so with that trading strategy, guys, the first we're watching to MACD indicator. That indicator consists from two lines. That two lines intersect each other and are directed to some direction. If that two lines intersect each other and are directed to upper position, that clear signal to enter to upper trend. So if that two lines intersect each other and are directed to down position, it's a clear signal to enter to down zone. And so in that case, the two lines intersect each other and are directed to upper trend, and it's because I'm entered to upper position. And so if you watch to average true range, that average true range consists from one curve line, and so we fix the first profit, and on my bank account $38, guys. I'm glad to see that. So and average true range, guys, it's really working very simple. If that line directed to upper position, to that will be signal to enter to upper zone. If that line are directed to down position, it will be the very good signal to enter to down position. So and we are moving on. And so we enter with sketchy F currency pair, and we enter to down position, and let me explain everything in detail. The first we're watching to MACD indicator, that indicator showing us the two lines intersect each other and are directed to down zone, and it was the first signal to enter to down position. If we watch to average true range, that indicator showing us really good motion to down zone, and it was the second signal to enter to down position. And I think that we are right identify the trend direction, and we're just waiting for our profit, guys. If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel and write to me privately, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you a link in my V.I.P channel where we trade with my team every day and where we're showing the great results. And so, guys, on my bank account $72, $73, I'm so sorry, and it was the second trade, the second very good trade. And so we are moving on, and let's find some interesting situation for that. And so we entered to down position, and let me explain everything in detail, guys. The first we're watching to MACD indicator, and that indicator showing us the two lines intersect each other and are directed to down position. And if we're watching to histogram, that histogram showing the red candle line to down zone, and it was really clear signal to enter to down position. And if we watch the average true range, that we can see that the blue curve line are directed to downward zone, and I think that trend will be near 5 minutes bullish. And so I think that in that case we right identify the trend direction, but we must waiting for our profit, guys. it can be the near, but it's really market, guys, and we're just waiting for our profit, guys. But now we get the profit. It was the third trade, guys. Just look at that on my bank account, $140. It's looking very simple for me. And so we entered to down position with currency pair chief knock, and we entered to down position. And okay, if you watch to average true range, that indicator showing us really good motion to down zone, and it was a really good signal to enter to down position near 1 minute. But if we watching to MACD indicator, that indicator really showing us the two lines, and showing us the candles, the red candles lying to like the middle way. And so it just, I think that was the good signal to enter to down position, guys. So we're just waiting for our profit, and I think that we right identified trend direction. But as you can see, the price motion really looking very good for us, and so we get the forced profit. So my bank account $269, guys, and I'm glad to see that. So we just changing amount for one trade and just moving on. So we just entered to audio cut currency pair, and we entered to down position, and let me explain everything in detail. Just look at the average true range, look at the blue line. It's blue line just are directed to downward, and so it's really looking very strong, and it was a really good signal to enter to down zone. And so if you watch to MACD indicator, that indicator really showing us the intersection two lines, and that two lines are directed to down zone, and the histogram showing the red candle lying to down zone, and it was really second signal to enter to down position, and we did it. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys, and we are get the profit $516 in my bank account. So it's looking very good for me. So I'm changing the amount for one trade, and we just moving on. And so, guys, I'm entered to LBP USD currency pair, and I'm entered to upper position, and let me explain everything in detail. If you're watching to MACD indicator, that indicator showing us the really good signal to enter to upper position. The two lines intersect each other and are directed to upper position with little bit inclining. So, and if you watch to average true range, that average true range, I'm just feel that cause that right moment right now will be reversal to upper trend. So, and we are entered to upper position cause of it. So, and look at that, guys, we really right identify the trend direction, and it's really looking very good for us. And so we get the fives profit, and on my bank account $976, and it's looking very nice. So, guys, I'm entered to BHDC and I currency pair. I'm entering to downward position, and let me explain everything in details, guys. So if you're watching to average true range are directed to downward position, and it was the first signal to enter to downward. And if we watch to MACD indicator, that indicator showing the intersection two lines, and that two lines are directed to downward position. All looking very good and very well, and I think that all must be all right. And so we get the $1,869 on my bank account, so it's really looking very nice, guys. And so, guys, I'm increased my deposit limit from $20 to $1,869, guys. It's really looking just unbelievable. So, and we entered to downward position with currency pair BHDC and I, and we're just waiting for our profit, my dear friends. and I think that all must be alright and all must be okay and all must be great. So we're just waiting for our profit and waiting and waiting and waiting, cause the average true range showing us the really good trend to downward position. And if you're watching to MACD indicator, the indicator really showing a direction to downward too, and the red candles intensify that. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. I think that we are get the profit, guys. Exactly. And we get $3,588 on my account, and I increased my deposit from $20. Guys, just look at that and just think about that. So it's really very good. So guys, in the conclusion, I want to tell you that I'm increased my deposit from $20 today, $3,588, guys. And I spend really less than 10 minutes of my free time. I know that you want us the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel. Come join us. Places are limited, and write to me privately, teach me, and I'll send and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link on my V.I.P channel where we trade with my team every day, get the great results, and where we earning money. So until the next time, hug you all until it crunches.